Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and today we are at the
Caravan Camping and Motorhome Show.
That one. Come along with us.
Gooey.
We'll take it. How cool is it, Scott? Is it very cool?
This is such a cool thing.
Caught her sitting down on the job.
I found a very familiar chair. It's still comfy, you know. It's a weird sensation because it looks like you're sitting on a sofa, but then you feel like you're sitting on an inflatable chair. As stupid as that sounds.
Alana got told to bring a trailer down. She did. They didn't tell her which orientation to put it in though. an NEC trusted hack. The price of food at the NEC is quite expensive.
It's that clip here, Scott.
Yeah.
The food thing that's just to the right of where we're sat just now.
The hack is bring your own
lunch.
sarnies and also bring your own coffee. This is not sponsored by Arctic Coffee.
Feel free to sponsor us, Arctic Coffee.
Yeah, I would love you forever. But yeah, little small hack. Bring
food.
Bring water, bring food.
They do have bottle refill things outside the halls, so I guess you can fill up your own bottle, but yeah.
Yeah, lunchtime, and then Alana's
Stop talking, Scott, because I want to eat my lunch.
Alana's going to get her energy back.
Yeah.
And then we're going to be cracking on again.
Yeah, we will.
One nana for scale. Can you lay that way so we can just...
Sure.
Are you upset by this thing?
Yeah.
What would you like to ask Yeti?
Make a purple thing. Cup. So that was the Caravan Camping and Motorhome show at the NEC for 2026. Nearly said 25 then, I don't know what year it is apparently. So much to look at again. So much almost window shopping, for want of a better way of putting it, that we've just managed to do. But yeah, epic show. So much to see once again.
Yeah, I just want to chip in and turn around and say I apologise if some of the shots in this video have been utter garbage, but it's so much of a nightmare to try and get back far enough, that sort of thing. But it's great that it is busy because it means hopefully it will come back for another year.
100%. But yeah, we've enjoyed ourselves. We hope you've enjoyed this video.
Yep.
If you did, hit the like button and all of those fun things down there.
And if you want to see another video like this, where are they clicking?
On my face.
If you'd like to subscribe to the channel, where are they clicking?
On your face.
In that case, we'll see you in the next video, everyone. See you later. Goodbye. And
Splat.
splatteroonie.